Hello everyone, we're here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. What does that mean? Well, with any vehicle purchase, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000. Now back to the star of the show, we have this absolutely gorgeous 2020 Jeep Wrangler Sport 2-door 4x4 to show you. Under the hood, you're going to find a 2-liter turbocharged engine that's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's shown in the gorgeous firecracker red color, which pairs beautifully with those aftermarket black wheels that have the red accents in them. This does come with a level kit as well. Low mileage, it's only had one previous owner and has a clean CARFAX. It's been fully safetied and inspected. We're going to take you through it quickly, but if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. So you do get this factory remote with your unlock, lock, remote start, and panic button. We'll just give you a close-up shot of these beautiful wheels and tires. Again, everything is in excellent condition, low mileage. You get that true trail rated capability with the Jeep. Once inside, nice clean black interior storage along the bottom of the door. You do have your power mirrors and locks on there, as well as a manual locking option and beautiful premium cloth throughout. And then as we head into the steering wheel, you do have your cruise control options to your right, to your left, Bluetooth and hands-free, and dash selection. Behind my fingers there, you do have audio mounted controls allowing you to change the station source and volume, all while keeping your hands safely where they need to be. You have a tilt and telescopic option on your steering wheel, as well as fully automatic headlights. So 4,371 kilometers on here currently. You also have a large menu of information you can go through. Take a second to explore that a bit further with your sales advisor. To the right, you have your push button start, so very convenient. Nice clean dash area. And into your entertainment system. So you do have your AM, FM, and satellite capability for your radio options. And then for your media, you can connect through Bluetooth, auxiliary, and USB. Into the climate, you do have dual zone climate control here, so both your driver and passenger can be equally comfortable. An app screen giving you easy access to some of the technology. And then a screen dedicated specifically to help you pair your phone. Compass, settings, and a beautiful backup camera once in reverse. As we move on down, you have all of the manual buttons for your climate and media. You also have your auto start stop, traction control, and hill descent control. Those are all options you can turn on or off. Down below that, you have your power windows, a 12-volt outlet, and all of your media ports. Nice clean shifting area, 2 cup holders. There is a top shallow portion in your console and a deeper space down below with another USB outlet. And we'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. Locking glove compartment, you have a handle there with that Wrangler badging, and up above, illuminated vanity mirrors and your Freedom hardtop panels. So in the back, you do have an additional 2 seats and cup holders along the bottom. And then from here, this is what your back storage area looks like. Tie down areas throughout. You have some additional storage here as well. And the second row does fold flat and flip up if you do need that additional space. So overall, that was a very quick tour. Again, if you have any questions or just want to get this on the road to experience it for yourself, we would encourage you to come on down and definitely do that. We would love to help you out with anything that you need. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.